Hey, how you doing? Anthony Schultz here from Gold Coast IELTS, where I help you absolutely destroy the written section of the IELTS exam. So today we're going to talk about an area that gives a lot of people big problems, which is basically using the correct verb in an IELTS Task 1 academic chart response. A lot of people have trouble choosing between the simple past and also the present perfect simple tenses. So we're going to take a look at that today, and I'm going to show you how to choose the correct verb for a Task 1 bar chart. And if you do get value from the video, don't forget, hit like and smash the subscribe. Let's get started. Okay, so as I said, let's check out present perfect simple and past simple for IELTS Task 1 bar charts. So firstly, let's take a look at the present perfect simple grammar. We make it with have or has plus the past participle. And here are three examples. So we can use it in the positive, such as he's started the project. We can use it in the negative, such as I haven't started my homework. Or as a question, have you started the group task? And there are four main ways we use the present perfect simple. The first one is to talk about a period of time that is not finished. For example, I've run 3 kilometers this morning. That means it's still morning now when I'm telling you this information. Number two is something happened in a point in time before now. For example, I've done a lot of research about this problem. So the third way is to talk about the past with for or since. You could say, I've studied hard since the beginning of the year. Or maybe you could change it to for 6 months. The last way to use it is for something that happened in the past and is connected to the present. For example, I've been to all the lectures this week. And the implied meaning is, so I can help you now with your work. So let's compare that with the past simple, which is made with verb ed, or did not plus verb, or did plus verb. And here are three examples. There's the positive, she worked for the fire department. The next one is negative, she didn't work for the fire department. Third, question, did she work for the fire department? And there are three main ways we use the past simple. The first one is to only talk about the past. Example, I cleaned the garden in the weekend. That means I have finished cleaning the garden. Number two, it gives a time or the time is understood. For example, I did the lawns when I was at my mother's house. So this is giving the time. You were at your mother's house, not now when you're in a different place. Number three, the past simple uses time expressions that show the time is finished. For example, I went to the bank last week. Last week is finished, so this must be the past simple. Okay, so let's use all this now in an IELTS Task 1 bar chart, talking about the percentage of UK adults to have used the internet in 1995, 2000, 2005 and 2021, or whatever year it is that you're watching this video. So here we have a sentence. The chart shows the percentage of British adults who used or have used the internet since 1995. What do you think the answer is? Number two, the number of women who have ever used the internet increased or has increased by more than 60% since 1995. What do you think the answer is? Of course, the answer is has increased, present perfect simple, because this is continuing until the present time. Number three, the percentage of men who have accessed the internet rose or has risen to 60% in 2005. What do you think the answer is? Of course, the answer is the simple past rose, because this is talking about 2005, which is many years in the past. Number four, the number of women to have accessed the internet rose or has risen each year. What do you think the answer is? The answer is the present perfect simple has risen, because this is continuing until the present time. Number five, the percentage of men who use the internet was or has been greater than the percentage of women from 1995 to 2005. What do you think the answer is? The answer is was, because this period is finishing in 2005. Number 6. However, British women overtook or have overtaken British men in internet usage since 2005. What do you think the answer is? Of course, this is in the present perfect simple, have overtaken, because it's continuing until the present time. And the last one, number 7, the total number of people accessing the internet grew or has grown each year, although the most significant rise has occurred between 1995 and 2000. What do you think the answers are? So the first one is the present perfect simple because it's continuing until now. The second one has occurred because it's finishing in 2000. Okay, so that's a simple explanation of the difference between past simple and present perfect simple in an IELTS Task 1 bar chart. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit like and smash subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.